Oh shoot, I forgot. My bad, bro.
Yes. Clown, dude.
You wash your hands?
Yeah, but my hands are clean.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie Fitteds. I love fitted hats. I collect fitted hats, and this is a fitted hat channel. Now, I want to say today we're gonna do a review video based off Hatclub's latest collection that dropped. I would say the last week of June, the last Saturday of June, I believe. But super fresh collection. Something like the Cyclone right here. Boom. And it's only right that we have a special guest, and you know, I don't know if you guys seen this guy before, but let's go ahead and introduce him.
Hey, what it do? You already know. It's your boy Kobayashi here, back at it again.
Bro, what was that? Hey, what it do?
There's no tag. I'm trying.
I've never heard you say that ever.
To incorporate.
Ever. But before putting this on, I was wearing the J Tips two-tone, beautiful hat, Subway Series patch, Yankees, Mets,
Okay.
Yankees logo, flat Barrowman,
Yes,
white
sir.
guts, icy blue UV. What do you think of this one?
It's dope. It's fresh.
Yeah?
It's definitely a dope collection. Dope collab that J Tips had with Hatclub, and I have actually got one right here too.
Oh
This one
yeah,
right here, the
Ooh.
LA one.
It's all dressed up in the pins. You got the J Tips pin, so every
J Tips pin.
J Tips Hatclub hat came with the pin. It's pretty dope.
And I got the Ronnie fitted pin right here.
Yeah, the Ronnie
OG.
Fitz prototype. Nice.
There you go.
Great hat, great pins, bro. Throw it to the side. Yeah.
Now we're talking about the
Cyclone.
Wanna do it all
Oh.
night long. Let's go.
Edit that out.
Baby bash.
Edit that out. Yeah, I do want to say disclaimer. This was a promotional gift from Hatclub. This one I did not purchase. Hatclub gave it to me. So I want to say thank you to Hatclub. Appreciate
Nice.
you guys. The Cyclone was a dope collection. I think it was not a lot of teams. It was like maybe 10. I'm not
10,
sure.
11.
Not a big collection, but the colorway was this teal?
Teal.
The teal colorway, and then the UV is the blue, and then you got hits of like a seafoam green in a way, or a teal again, and then the blue and then the pink.
Yes,
But
sir.
let's go ahead and talk about what Kobayashi picked up, because this one he did buy.
All right. So, I went out and took my first choice here was the Blue Jays,
Yep.
and there
Go ahead
you
and show them. Go ahead
go.
and describe the hat to them.
The side patch there. It's the
What's that patch?
40th,
It's
40th,
40th?
anniversary.
I've never seen that side patch on that
Flat
hat.
Barrowman and purple UV.
Can-
Take a look. Take a look at it.
Once again, always appreciate you letting me take a look at your hat.
Of course.
I love hats, and
And
this one's a nice one. So this is crazy because you get hit with the double logo. So you got the Blue Jays logo right here, and then in the side patch you get the Blue
That's
Jays
crazy.
logo.
crazy.
Yeah, dang, this is dope. I haven't seen this, and that might be my favorite Blue Jays logo. What do you guys think? Let us know. But very nice one. You got this one. I unboxed it for you. I didn't unbox it for you, but I saw it recently and I was like, dang man, can't believe I skipped on this
Yeah,
one.
dude. These hats are like way better in person. Like
Yeah, I
when-
agree.
Initially, like when we saw it on IG or wherever on the website,
Yeah.
it kind of looked like I don't know how I feel, but when I got them in hand, fire,
Yeah.
fire, absolute fire.
Did you see? Wait, we'll get to that. But great one because I think that Blue Jays bird just dressed up in those colors, it really makes it pop. I
Yeah.
think that might be my top 3 out in this collection.
Yeah.
Like
This one kind of flew under the radar.
it
To
did.
be honest, yeah.
It did. I remember before it dropped, you hit me up.
I was like, should I go for the Blue Jays or the Angels?
Was that? Yeah. And
Yeah.
I was like, dude, Angels is probably gonna be on a lot of people's radar. A lot of
Yeah.
people's radar. So
So I
go
went
for
with
Blue Jays.
this first choice, and I got it pretty smoothly.
Nice. And I mean, man, I can't stop looking at it. It's a nice hat. It's a nice
That's a
hat.
great logo. So.
Um,
But hey, first let's get a rating. Let's get a rating on this.
we're gonna do
hat.
rating right now.
Yeah.
All right.
For me, I'll give it a 7.7 out of 10.
But why though?
Why? Preference. Feelings.
Let the people know why we're giving ratings, just so that they can. It helps them.
Kind of just
Justify
flew
their
off top of my
hat
head.
purchase.
But personally, I really like the logo. Really like the side logo. Just why I kind of knocked down points is just it's gonna be hard to match fits with.
So when you rate hats, it's based off like wearability?
Based on everything, yeah. Wearability, durability, look.
Durability, all of them are...
All of that, bro.
All of them are the same...
Durability, everything.
Everything. Right, that's...
So when it comes down to it, definitely a great hat, definitely an awesome hat, but 7.7.
7.7. For me, I actually like this collection a lot. It was my first, as being a Hatclub affiliate, they went ahead and sent the promo, and I'm glad it was this collection. This is
Stomper.
This is something like I haven't had this color yet in my collection, and I think it's so loud, and it being summertime, I'm actually going towards that route, the loud colorways, just because I just want, you know, spice things up with my outfit. Because I usually just wear the regular black, white, gray tees, just keep it, you know, simple, but the hat, make you know, with the simple outfit with the hat, the loud hat, that's my cup of tea. So I'm giving that an 8. 8 out of 10.
Okay.
8 out of 10. On to the one I'm wearing. We got the Stomper, the Oakland Athletics Stomper. You ready for this, bro?
I like that one.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
I love the Stomper logo. If you guys know me,
Yep,
it's my favorite.
Logo.
Me and Kobe, we have it means a lot to us just because of our nationality, you know, being Laotian. The national animal for Laos, the country Laos, is the elephant. So we love the Stomper.
We're naturally like drawn to the Stomper, so
in a way, yeah, I would say it's perfect for us. We got the 50th anniversary side patch. Now, the Oakland Athletics don't have the best side patches in my opinion, but this one, out of the other ones they have, is probably the best. What do you think?
I like the Battle of the Bays, to be honest.
Battle of the Bay is nice. You're right. That might be the best one. I don't have one of those yet.
I have
one of those. But we got the flat Batterman in the blue and white. The side patch, like once again, I want to go back to it. It's got mainly the blue and the pink, and then the white in there. Tono New Era flag, white guts, blue UV. I mean, I gave that an 8. So for a quick rating already, I'm gonna give this like a 8.3.
Oh,
8.3.
Okay.
I like it, man. Like even my girlfriend was like, "Ooh, that's a nice hat." And if your
that's
significant other says,
"That's rare.
That's a nice hat," you take it. So overall, the Cyclone Collection was clean.
Hey, whoa, let me give my rating.
Oh shit, I forgot. My bad, bro.
Clown, dude.
You wash your hands?
Yeah, my hands were clean. I actually really like this hat as well. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. The reason is the way they did the colorway for the elephant, just like blue and then the pink bats. I think it was executed very well. Same with the side patch. So 8 out of 10.
You know what? Interesting you said that. Coloring the Stomper, I feel like it's pretty difficult, you know? I've seen a lot of Stomper logos, and I don't know if it's like the trim, but having like, because they also Hatclub also did a collection. It was the Sugar Shack.
Yeah. And
the way they colored that one, it didn't make it look like it popped out, but this one looks like it pops out at you.
So yeah, very well done.
Yeah, very well done with the colorway. Thanks for the rating, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Cut that out too.
Nah, everything's gonna be in.
But overall, I would say I'm more into the louder colors right now, and I love this collection, and I want to see more vibrant, more bright colors. So
yeah. At the end of the day, this collection was probably actually a very good collection. Definitely up there in like the tops of this year, I would say, in my opinion.
Really?
Yeah, honestly.
Really? It's up there?
Mid top?
With the
top mid?
Okay. In your top 5?
I would have to review the other
I would say it's not my top 5 as of right now.
I would say it's top 5, maybe top 15.
Top 15. Dang. Alright, well hey, it's a good collection. Maybe we'll do that video.
Ooh.
All the collections.
Top 10 collections of the year. So yeah. Just gotta wait till the end of the year, and then we'll bust them out. But deep dive.
We want to know what you guys want to see from us. Let us know down in the comments what kind of videos. We have an idea where it's like we do. Go ahead and tell them. Here's your idea.
Oh yeah, right. And so that is fire idea is called Hat Wagers, where we are gonna put our hats on the line and do all types of
Hats
challenges.
from our collection.
Yep, all types of challenges, whether it be just rock paper scissors or just going crazy with it.
No, but rocks, scissors,
You know.
bro. But maybe like spicy noodles.
Spicy noodle
Spicy
challenges,
noodle
all
challenge.
that. So
But let us know what you guys think, because I know you guys have been watching these reviews, and we just want to spice it up.
Spice it up a bit.
No pun intended.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, let us know. We might do that pretty soon for you guys. We want to keep things fresh. Once again, I'm Ronnie Fittis. Thank you so much for watching this video, watching the channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed or can't talk, subscribe already. Subscribe now.
Yes, sir.
This is A Kobayashi. Follow him on all the socials as well as mine.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
Let us know what you got from the Cyclone Collection, how you feel about it.
Mm-hmm.
With that, we're out of here, right?
We out. Thank you guys.
Peace.